Tie a slip knot and place it on the anchor peg. E-wrap each peg. Wrap the yarn around the pegs clockwise. Push the yarn down on the pegs and E-wrap a second row. Use the loom hook to lift the bottom loop over the top loop on each peg. This completes your first knitted row. Knit in the round for 15 rows. Cut the yarn, leaving a long tail. Thread the tail through all the loops using a yarn needle and remove from the loom. Pull tightly to gather and close the top of the head. Do not stuff yet. We will show you how in a different video. With the body still open at the bottom, locate the front center. Insert 2 safety eyes around row 10, spaced evenly. Place the pink safety nose just below the eyes. Secure all with their safety backings from the inside. No need to flip the body. You're ready to keep crafting.